project's called the Highland District. It's sited at the top of the hill on Old Meadow Road, about a half mile from the metro station. We have 6 buildings total. 5 are residential and 1 could be office or residential. And will include some neighborhood serving retail on the ground floor. It really takes everybody's effort to bring good retail, because retail, they want to cluster together. And that's what makes a community, that's what develops into a community, and now all of a sudden you have a town center, and you have a little village, a little node, a retail node that people want to go to and spend their time. Total site is about just under 17 acres, 5 of which will be devoted to public park space. And it's an interesting combination of some more urban plazas, some pocket parks, and then some more natural settings. Next to our site, we are expanding the athletic field to build a full athletic field. And next to that, building a sport court, child play area, dog park. So all of a sudden you have a recreation area at the end of our street that kind of ties together a lot of recreational activities for use for not just our residents, but the county as a whole. We have the potential to have amazing courtyards that open up into Scott's Run, and so that you can have views from the building into the forested area, kind of natural wildlife that's there. And then combined with that, it'll be swimming pools, and roof decks, and entertaining spots, grilling stations, all the things that a luxury apartment should have. I think when you look at particularly residential development, it would be really attentive to amenities. People want to be near amenities, and that could be inside the building. It's a gym, it's a club room, it's a roof deck, it's a great space to entertain, but also on the street level and the public plazas that are around the building. And all those amenities are what's driving people into more urban areas. And that's what we see in Tysons, and what we're trying to do, and what many people are trying to do, is say, okay, how do you capture that idea and put it into Tysons?